Guys, Troutcatchingjedi, Strawberry Reservoir, walking, lots of red on him. Let's get a picture of that. Oh shoot, oh my gosh. Gorgeous, there you go. Holy shit. Epic fish. Epic. Epic, guys. We're not mad. Low belly. Minnow, baby. Thank you, sir. Jeez. It's a solid fit. That tube is just demolished. This is funny. That tube is demolished. Look at that. I've probably missed more fish than I've caught. They're eating it. There we go. There we go. Oh my gosh. Snag. Are you sure? Snagged about a mile offshore there, and my line is doing weird stuff. I think that's ice forming. It's freezing up right in front of me, boys. So that's frozen. Moving up. Yeah, in fact, I'm watching it freeze right in front of me. It was like when we were down to Schofield and you could see it start forming on the surface. So it's going to be going. See that breaking up ice when I'm bringing in. They're going to move deep. They feel that coming. Makes my pole jump around like I got a fish. Whoa. Something definitely grabbed that. They're out of there. Rattle hook. Oh, come on. Don't wrap up in that. Good little fish. Hooked nicely. Look, it's frozen. My line's trying to sink, but it's frozen right there to the water. It's locking up right in front of my face. If you guys haven't seen this before, it's really interesting to watch. The water will literally freeze right in front of your eyes. And they're definitely not going to be coming in because this is starting to freeze right here. So they're going to be out there in the deep. See that? Frozen. This is frozen right here. Can't tell if it's ice doing it or if it's a fish. Sun should stop that right in its tracks. Oh yeah. I feel a little warm coming on, a little warm spell. Don't get mad at me. I don't make the weather. See how that line is just jumping around? That's the ice grabbing it as it's growing. Liquid detected. I can't fly until my phone dries out. The one time I actually want to do it. He was on it. He was on it. Melting off, just like that. Ooh, we got him rolling right there. Got him rolling. Oh, he's down there. He's down there rooting. Rootin' tootin'. Surprise. Oh, okay. Just as I was making my way downtown, that may draw some attraction. What that's supposed to do is hit the water and start sinking. All right. That looks normal. See how it sinks? That means the ice is not on the surface anymore. Kind of. I can see it right there. But it's better. Let's get a good distance cast and see if it'll sink down for us. So we got to get down to the bottom. I honestly don't know if I'm going to be able to make it back to my car. I'm getting nervous. There's a lot of snowmobilers, so worst comes to worst, I beg a ride, but I'm nervous. My hamstrings hurt. It was a long walk down here. Good thing about it is when there's two of them, they hype each other up. Oh, there he is. He's gonna come pick up that piece on the bottom. I got it. There's two of them. There's a piece for you, buddy. There's three of them. Oh, I just nailed it. Gotta fix that hook. That's three of them. A little wind, thank you. That'll clear right on up. Okay. Okay. Frozen reel. Sounds like garbage. Keep him pinned. That's a big fish. Keep him pinned. Jeez. I can't show the glory of it. All right, guys. Heck yeah. That's like 4 today. Hello?
Good Lord, how big's that?
It was probably 24, 25 inches. I've caught at least 4 slot busters, maybe more.
Are you catching lots?
Well, when it was locking up, like, my bait wouldn't sink. It was,
Sit on top.
yeah, but then the sun came up over the hill and the wind started blowing just a little bit, and then first cast as soon as I could get it to sink. Well, yeah, I'm not, what I'm gonna do is fill it the thing with gravel like I did for your truck. And I'll just put it behind my rear tires. All right, we ran through a battery pack. I'm gonna make a few more casts and then I gotta get going because I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get my car out. If you guys can see that down that way, that's ice. So this bay is starting to do it. It was icing over as I was fishing. Once the sun came up over the hill, started kind of knocking it out, and then the wind just totally wiped it out. It's trying to freeze, but it keeps blowing every night and every day. So that's what's keeping us rolling. We're on. I've caught 4 monsters today and a lot of good fish. Did he just pop off? No. Oh, he's digging though. He's digging. All right. See, that's a smaller one today, and that's a good fish. See this little chunky belly? Little chunky. That's on the white rattle tube. He's sure bleeding out the corner of his mouth. What's the deal with that, yo? Hit one of his major teeth arteries or what? Okay. See you later, homie. I keep hearing the snowmobilers up the top of the hill there, so I'm really praying that one of them will pick me up and drive me back. What I've got to do is gather some gravel. See this gravel right here? I'm going to put it in the cooler and pack that up. I used that idea when Bruce was stuck. Just put some gravel behind the tires so I can get some traction, and I feel like I should probably be able to get out, but I am a little bit nervous. Probably gonna die today. I'm stupid. Okay. Step 1. Packed up the electronics. Step 2. Pack up my fishing gear. Step 3. Grab the gravel. Jeez. Holy shit. There's another one. Don't come out, don't come out, don't come out, don't come out. There's another one. That one may be the biggest one. Let's get a measure. That's gonna be the last one. You can't really top that. Yeah, we are not mad. That's at least 5 over the slot today. We'll measure this one. I got this one at 25. That may be the biggest fish I caught up here this year. The board is 24. Yeah, he's as big as the board, fellas. He might even be bigger. He just shook off. All right, fellas, that will do it. We'll call that a day. It's hard to one-up a fish like that. As I was saying, I gotta get a little bit of rest before I make this trip, or I won't make it. That's frozen solid, so I have nothing to drink. People's elbow. There you go. Not solid, but it's pretty frozen. Got a little slushy. So, without further ado, we're gonna put on our gloves. So our hands are legit frozen. Like legit. Like I can't feel them and they hurt, but like a third of the way there. Oh, thanks. It's easier walking downhill than up, and it's a lot more packed now. How's it going?
Good, how are you doing?
Good. You guys fishing?
Well, I just come out to check to see what's out here.
Big ones.
I didn't bring my fishing gear.
Oh, dude.
I'm working nights, and I
Oh,
just
yeah?
wanted to come out and see what was.
I'm stupid. I parked at the highway and walked my happy ass down here, but it was worth it. Fish are going crazy.
Going crazy. Awesome.
Yes, sir.
It's good to hear.
Yes, sir.
Come back out tomorrow morning.
Get after him, man. It's
Well,
gonna.
You want to? I'll get you. If you want to ride back?
Are you sure?
We're
Dude.
gonna go up here to the dam and turn around. But
Okay,
if you're still
yeah.
walking, I'll get you a ride.
Sweet.
Yeah.
I appreciate it.
No problem.
I'm stupid, but I had to fish one more time, so.
Yeah, absolutely.